Hello everyone, today we learn about cooking verbs with sentences. Bake. I am baking cookies in the oven. Boil. I am boiling the water for pasta. Chop. I am chopping the carrots into small pieces. Mix. I am mixing the flour and sugar together. Stir. I am stirring the soup with a spoon. Fry. I am frying the eggs in a pan. Peel. I am peeling a banana before eating it. Slice. I am slicing the bread for sandwiches. Mash. I am mashing the potatoes with the masher. Pour. I am pouring the milk into the bowl. Grill. I am grilling the cheese sandwich. Crack. I am cracking the eggs into the bowl. Wash. I am washing the apples before eating. Roll. I am rolling the dough with a rolling pin. Taste. I am tasting the soup to make it delicious. Cut. I am cutting the sandwich in half. Decorate. I am decorating the cake after it cools down. Open. I am opening the can with a can opener. Add. I am adding sugar to the tea. Serve. I am serving the food on plates. Cook. I am cooking the rice until it's soft. Grate. I am grating the cheese for the pizza. Beat. I am beating the eggs with a whisk. Press. I am pressing the garlic with a garlic presser. Grease. I am greasing the pan with butter. Dip. I am dipping the bread in the soup. Spread. I am spreading the butter on the toast. Heat. I am heating the soup on the stove. Dry. I am drying the dishes with a towel. Combine. I am combining the ingredients in a bowl. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share and like my videos. Thank you everyone.